Welcome to Review Lab. The best shoe repair supplies is probably one of the most essential investments for anyone who values their footwear. Whether you're a seasoned cobbler or a DIY enthusiast, having the right tools and materials can breathe new life into your favorite shoes. In this video, we'll dive into the world of shoe repair, exploring the must-have supplies that will help you mend, restore, and maintain your shoes like a pro, saving you money and extending the life of your beloved pairs. Number 5. Soft Sole Original Shoe Glue, 3.7 fluid ounces tube. Introducing a powerful adhesive designed for footwear repair. This product is perfect for fixing worn soles, damaged heels, and patching small holes, ensuring your shoes last longer. It features a strong bonding formula, stronger than typical adhesives. This clear shoe glue adheres extremely well to various surfaces, providing a durable and reliable repair for your shoes. With a quick drying time, most materials dry within 24 hours. The waterproof seal prevents water penetration, protecting your shoes in wet conditions. This product forms a protective coating, ideal for prolonging the life of your shoes. It bonds, protects, and rebuilds, offering a permanent repair solution. It's versatile and works on leather, rubber, vinyl, and canvas. This DIY solution is suitable for a wide range of footwear materials, making it a practical choice. Beyond shoe repair, it can provide extra traction. Its strong adhesive and tackiness make it useful for various applications, even on skateboards. A single 3.7 fluid ounces tube provides plenty of adhesive for multiple repairs. This makes it a durable and economical choice for all your shoe repair needs. What we like. This glue's strong bonding formula is perfect for those needing a reliable fix. It creates a waterproof seal, protecting your shoes from the elements. If you have shoes that need a durable and versatile repair, this is the one for you. What people say. The sole material is durable and provides excellent grip on various surfaces. The adhesive is strong and bonds quickly, ensuring a long-lasting repair. The kit includes a variety of tools and materials, making it suitable for different types of shoe repairs. Number 4. BAGERLA Heavy Duty Upholstery Repair Sewing Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for upholstery repair. It features a variety of needles, threads, and tools. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. The kit comes with needles in various sizes and shapes. There are blunt, pointed, triangular, and curved needles. This variety ensures you have the right needle for any project. This repair kit is designed for ease of use. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, you'll find it convenient. It's especially great for DIY hand sewing enthusiasts. Use this kit for a variety of projects. It's suitable for car seats, sofas, umbrellas, carpets, and more. You can sew different materials like leather, fabric, and denim. This fully equipped sewing kit is a must-have for craft lovers. It meets the needs of both beginners and skilled craftspeople. It's an indispensable assistant for all your crafting needs. What we like. This kit is a comprehensive solution for all your sewing needs. With various needle sizes, it caters to different repair requirements. If you are looking for a complete set for various materials and projects, this kit will be your best choice. What people say. The product works as advertised. The design is user-friendly and easy to use. The features are well implemented and enhance the product's functionality. Number 3. Gear 8 Aquaseal SR Shoe Repair Adhesive. Are your boots letting you down? This adhesive is designed for long-lasting repairs on various footwear. It effectively seals leaks, ensuring your shoes are ready for any adventure. This is a durable urethane adhesive that permanently bonds to soles and heels. It dries clear and flexible, so it won't peel or crack over time. Need to rebuild worn heels or create toe protectors? This shoe glue is abrasion-resistant and waterproof. It's the perfect solution for extending the life of your favorite shoes. This adhesive works on all types of footwear. Whether it's leather, suede, rubber, or Gore-Tex, it provides a reliable bond. Gear 8 products help you repair your gear with confidence. From patching holes to fixing equipment, the mission revolves around preservation and renewal. This product is a great choice. This urethane-based adhesive rebuilds worn heel and toe areas. It also reattaches separated soles and creates durable toe caps. It's a versatile solution for shoe repair. What we like. This adhesive is a durable urethane solution, perfect for long-lasting repairs. It is abrasion-resistant and can rebuild worn heel and toe areas. If you like hiking and need a reliable adhesive for your boots, this is the one you should consider. What people say. It worked great to add a new layer to the sole and extend the life of the shoes. I used only half of this adhesive and fixed the cracks, and I was impressed at the results. Bond strength is high quality and it dries quickly. I put the seal on, and on the sole of the boot, and it completely sealed it. It feels like the rubber on the sole of the boot after it dries, and it is just as tough. Number 2. Shoe glue, professional grade. Tired of throwing away your favorite shoes? This glue is a simple DIY solution that can fix your hiking boots or sandals in seconds. It will save you time and money. This shoe glue is rubber toughened and waterproof, providing a strong, secure seal. It stays flexible after drying, so the sole won't break apart while you walk. The glue has a high viscosity and comes with a precision tip applicator for perfect accuracy. This allows you to apply it exactly where you need it. Designed for quick and easy use, this professional-grade glue bonds in just 30 seconds. Each bottle has enough glue for about 20 shoes. This glue isn't just for shoes. It's great for fixing belts, handbags, or even DIY crafts. It's a versatile solution for various repair needs. What we like. This glue dries quickly, saving you time and effort. It forms a tough yet flexible seal, ensuring your repairs last. If you like a quick and easy solution for your shoe repairs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Boot Bond saved these otherwise fine clogs from the landfill. I was able to patch up the torn seam in no time and keep on going. I also used the Boot Bond to fix some of my canvas sneakers where the sidewalls were separating a little from the upper. Number 1. Unikstep 6 Pairs Shoe Heel Repair Kit. Is your shoe heel worn out? This kit is designed to repair single-sided worn shoe heels. It's a simple solution to extend the life of your favorite footwear. This kit is suitable for men's leather shoes, women's thick-heeled shoes, and even sneakers. It's a versatile solution for a variety of shoe types, helping you to save money. The valuable package includes 6 pairs of rubber heel plates, double-sided adhesive tapes, sandpapers, and nails. Everything you need for quick and effective repair is included. The heel plates are made of high-quality rubber with an anti-slip design, ensuring durability and safety. It provides excellent grip and long-lasting wear. This repair kit is incredibly easy to use. With the included components, you can quickly and easily fix your shoes. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. What we like. This kit provides rubber heel plates with an anti-slip design for added safety. It is easy to use and comes with all the necessary components. If you like to repair the heel of your leather shoes, you should consider this. What people say. They are perfect for Birkenstock soles. They even come with tiny nails to nail them in. They save your soles from being replaced, which is $75. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.